morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, the international community. Good morning, televiewers. Good morning, dialoguers and dialoguees. You are welcome to yet another very swing edition of the Comic National Dialogue happening here live on High Television. Today being Saturday, the 1st of February, we are just 8 days into the polls, where we are going to pull each other left and right as the campaign has been active for the past days. You see electorates and electorates pulling electors left, pulling electors right, especially in the northwest and southwest, where it has been a war. Ladies and gentlemen, you are all going to take your seats as I take my seat comfortably. Remember, it is thanks to the determination of the head of state that sun can shine favorably in Buea this day. It is thanks to the determination of the head of state that the coronavirus cannot cross the boundaries of Cameroon. We equally want to applaud the efforts of the Southwest Regional Governor, His Excellency, for his hard work and determination. Rain has not fallen. It has not rained in Buea for over 1 month now. We want to salute the efforts of the councillors, those both potential and potential, those who are leaving, those who are entering, for their determination and hard work. They are tiring the small roads in Buea. Good morning once more, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, we are into the electoral fever and the campaigns are up and high. And I want to thank the international community for always watching the program. And by my left, we have political parties well represented in the House today to woo voters into voting for them, as the newspaper said earlier this week. Good morning. Okay, you can see the SDF is well represented in the House today. And by my right, we have those who are always doing right in the country. Good morning.
Good morning, Monsieur le Moderator.
The people of the Party of Fire. The party that has fire all sides.
The Destiny Changing Party, please.
Destiny Changing Party.
Of course.
Okay. So while we settle down and think of how to fire and power together in this place, some people call themselves power, but every time there is shortage of power in the country. We'll go and visit the newspaper stands with the most intellectual panelists of the fellow dialoguers and dialoguees, badly brought up of FM Bazaar, as he gives us the small Congosa that the newspaper had this week in prelude of the 9 February polls. When we come back, we'll tell you what our councillors and parliamentarians have to say to the voters.
Fellow dialoguers of the National Comic Dialogue, fellow dialoguees and the General Kafiage, this is badly brought up, Congosaring you the little Congosas that was being Congosad in all the little news kaulus that are there in this outside that we are inside. To start it with the number 1 eye news kaulu, that was Congosa, a little nice Congosa. We shall first of all took the post news kaulu. The post news kaulu was Congosa, little Congosas concerning the political and the electionation that shall day in the Cameroon, especially in the Anglophonic Party of Cameroon, that the Cha is batting and wenting. In the Congosas that it was Congosad, the post news kaulu was Congosad that this kind of fever, that means a fever, a seeking fever, have sandasted the Kafiage of the Northwest and Southwest, that means of the Anglophonic Party of Cameroon, in the election that is coming in the front weight, even though them are only fearing and doubting the security that Shade. You should know that this newspaper was Congosa because Cha is elevating in the Anglophonic Party of Cameroon. Some Kafiage are spoken that them shall not day them day in the twice-eye election that is coming, and the other Kafiage is spoken that them shall day. So it's so that them was sent kutuk them that they should win to be securitization the election as it's only came in. But the other boy them like the Ambe boy them are still putting pen and are still pinning their condi that no 1 eye election shall not day. Commoting to that Congo Sar, we shall went again to inside the Post News Kaulu in the second eye Congo Sar that he was Congo Sar that the Kafiyash in the northwest party of Cameroon are cholaying all the little Kaulu of campaign and the little signboard of campaign that they was putting in the outside that meant they should be jarring it and to be sawing the promises them that the political party them shall promise that. But the Kafia them that are spoken that they shall not dare them they in the election that is coming and when is coming and coming are spoken them that them shall not jar no one eye flyer or they shall not jar no one eye signboard that them are pinning it in the outside that we are inside. It was still spoke in the Post News Kaolu was still spoke a spark that the Elekam patron, that means the Mbe of Elekam, was spoke that all the politicians then that was boom from the Anglophone party of Cameroon and went to the other part of Cameroon because of the Chad that is batting should gather their carcasses and came back to their different constituencies so that them shall be voting them in the there. That's so inside the Post News Kaulu, it was packed other small spaxes that Mrs. F. I was not hearing Mangopo in the day. It was packed that Senior Paulo was packed to the Nyang Elekam to the Nyang Emir, that means the senior berries that was graduation in the other small time that have passed. That as they are entering inside the country in the cafe, there should be respectation, human right, and should be protection, territorial branches. Coming out of the Post News Kaulu and taking them Benny Corner and bossing Chukin inside the Sun News Kaulu, there was also Congo Sar, their own little Congo Sar in the political side and also in the election side, and the general Chaadat is batting. In the Sun News Kaulu, there was spoke a little spark. There was spoke that CPDM and ATF them, their big men them are confusing in the election that is coming and only coming in this aside that we are ready. There was spoke that the CPDM them and ATF that big men them are confusing because any man is spoken his own spark. This CPDM man can come and spoke his own spark. The other CPDM man shall come and spoke a different spark that is denying the spark that the other CPDM man was first spoke. FDF man shall come and spoke his own spark, but a other SDF man shall come and deny a other spark that the SDF man was first spoke. So there was spoke that serious confusion is truly there in this election that is coming and went in. There was also spoke in the Sun News Kaolo that them have thief a thrice eye patron them of the CDC that was staying in the Limbe of Cameroon, especially in the Mabeta of Cameroon. There was spoke that a thrice eye, that means number 3 eye, thrice eye patron them that was working in the CDC was being kidnapped and thiefed and went in the bush with them, and they does not even know that the man that was thief them and went with them. That's so inside this the Sun News Kaulu, there was different sparks that Mangopo is not balancing in the day. But we shall come out inside the Sun News Kaulu and best a chukin inside News Watch Kongosarin Kaulu. News Watch Kongosarin Kaulu. That means that News Watch Kongosarin Kaulu was packing on spark that was a wa, a don, and a dutu in a little Kongosarin mannerism. The News Watch Kongosarin Kaulu was packed that it was packed a each ice pack that this pack is a wa. It was packed that the patron of Cameroon. Hey, this pack is a wa. Hey, what am I sewing like this? Eh? It's a wow. Have you heard this pack that I want to spark? This pack is a wow. This pack that was spoke by the News Watch Kongosarin Kaolo. That word that the Oga Kwata that means the biggest patron of all the kutus, that means of all the police in the national territory. That means the Oga Kwata of all the years was spoke that he have started to be suspecting that Ambase have entered in the Yaoundé of Cameroon. Yes, that Ambase have entered in the Yaoundé of Cameroon. That is the spoke that the News Watch Kongosa News Kaulu was Kongosat. That the Oga Kwata of all the years was spoke that he have started to be calculating that Ambase have entered the Yaoundé of Cameroon. It was also spoke in the News Watch Kaulu that shall the International Criminal Court be catching and locking the big men of the Ambase? Shall the International Criminal Court be judging the big men of the Ambase? He was poked this part because of the child that is batting in the Bui division where they are killing and burning people and violating human rights. Whether is the Kutu them that didn't know, we doesn't know. Whether is the Ambe the mother that didn't know, we don't know. But the news watch Kongosaring Kaulu was poked that is a war in the day. When we shall come out in the news watch Kongosaring Kaulu, we shall came inside the Advocate News Kongosaring Kaulu. The Advocate News Kongosaring Kaulu was spoke he own little Congo SARS, and he was spoke that election. He was also went to be spoken election sparks. He was spoke that election have entered a high gear. That means election campaign, the gear, that means the Mami P of speedometer that election have took that is become a war. It is went to be like that in this perpendicular speedometer of high direction towards the 9th of February, where the twice high election shall day. He was spoke that the campaign have entered a highest gear of Mami P of speedometer. What I said I was spoke, we didn't knew. The Advocate News Kongosaring Kaulu was also spoke that he was spoke a second eye, a twice eye Kongosa that a Padimaya and family all like that quarter was jointed and hafted a each eye accident inside a each eye mutua, and all of them was deathted a untimely die in the Yaoundé of Cameroon. And you should knew that this Padiman was a Padiman that was just commuted from Enam. It had not even overstay, and he was took a motor car vehicle and was driving like that, boom, boom, and before they want to go and make bagger, yeah, in family, and all of them was permit. When we shall come out of the when we shall come out of this other Congo, we shall went to the number thrice I Congo that the Advocate News Kongosaring Kaulu was Congo. It was spoke that another better spark that the Feka food patron of the Southwest region, they was give you a chang good like that penyang pakampak pong that he was detecting a better below in the organization, and the thing that they are supposed to do in the way that the other is the African Nation Cup that shall day in 2021 shall took place in the better way that all man shall enjoy it. That is the little I Congo SARS that I was Congo SARS to the General Kafia. That was first of all day inside the different news Kongosaring Kaulu that I was saw it, jar it with my koro eyes, and I started let me come and spoke to the General Kafiash. Thank you for sitting down and listening to me. And may you continuing to be hearing the other spokes that the fellow dialoguers shall be spoken in the national planet of the other side of the panel and the other side of the panel. May God give the General Kafiash, the dialoguers, the dialogues, the sowers, and the listeners of this international Nyang program, long life, and may they sow and jackers and then jackers and jackers. Thank you, Mr. Moderation. May God bless you. May God bless you and give you a long life, sis.
So we are now up to date with the small things that newspapers have Congo SARS, according to Bali brought up. He have said that a lot of people have been going up and down, that they are doing campaign, and a lot of people are saying that they shall not do them, no one ID in the thing there. That is why we have gathered the various candidates to come here and tell the people that no, it is good for them to day. So ladies and gentlemen, just will start now by my left. To talk to these strong people, the people that think that they have power, but they cannot give us power. Every day they are cutting light. They cannot give us power. So we are going to, it's okay. Can you put the hands down? There is no space in the studio to be taking your hands off. You can broke us, Bob.
Dialogue table, which studio? Dialogue table.
The table needs to be studiotified so that what happens in Yaoundé should not happen. The head of state is an intelligent person. He said he cannot send it to Palais de Congrès again because NAO is always timing him. Each time they come on TV, NAO will take light. So he sent it to a studio, high TV studio that has backup. So that in case something fails like what NAO did, they will have backup. Okay. So now we are visiting the SDF. As Satembo, an upcoming parliamentarian, you are looking forward to convincing voters to vote for you, to vote for the SDF. So as what, maybe you should tell these voters what took you into politics, how you got into politics, why you got into politics.
Yeah, Mr. Moderator, Mr. Cavino. Yeah, me like a representative of the SDF and an upcoming parliamentarian. I wish to go into parliament. Yes, the reason why I am going into parliament is because I love politics. They say politics is the authoritative allocation of values in the society. You understand? Yes, I want to authoritatively allocate values in the society. Some people have been authoritatively allocating these values. Values like money, values like power,
Like women.
values like women, values like virgins.
Yes.
You understand? Values like bread. Like this morning, I saw one of my sisters authoritatively allocating bread and spaghetti,
Okay.
bread and spaghetti with egg. I want to also start allocating those values. That is not why I went into politics like an upcoming parliamentarian. So I'll be representing my constituency.
Your locality, the area.
No, I am a professional. Let me speak it in English.
Okay.
My constituency. Yes, my constituency in the upcoming election, and I'll be sitting right in front of the parliament, the first bench. You must hear me today, Mr. Speaker.
You are the people that will go and be singing, oh, you go kill with tire. Is that part of your plans?
You are looking for trouble.
I've told So let's move now to the people of the Fire Party. Why did
Fire
you
Party,
choose
CPD.
politics?
Well, let me
Some people say CPDM means Cameroon Pikins in Mami.
whatever they think CPDM means, that's up to them. They are responsible for what they understand.
Okay.
I will greet you people again once more. Good morning, because we, the people of CPDM, we have much respect for the public. Mr. the Moderator, why I got into politics? To me, politics is a talent, a divine talent from God.
Just like Papa promotes talent.
Yeah. Right from when I was growing up, when I was a kid, you know, anytime my mom would bring something, say we should share. He will see my elder brother, he will see my elder sister, but he will give me to share. So I found myself always sharing things to people. In as much as I was young, I developed this feeling that, you know, I'm meant to rule. Of course, just that aspect of taking something and sharing.
Instead of leading.
Instead of
ruling.
yes, of course,
You are
I'm
ruling.
leading.
You are ruling.
Ruling. So that's what made me got into politics. In as much as I'm still an upcoming politician, as a CPDM person, listen to me carefully. I don't have problem with people voting for me or voting for the SDF people or the MCR or the USB, NSC or the ITP,
the CDC.
the CDC political party. I don't have any problem. My problem is stay on your lane. These people have this at a point in time. Sometimes I wish I were not a parliamentarian and I was a voter,
okay,
a voter, because these people have this tendency, which, you know, today SDF is sharing campaign rice. You go collect campaign rice. You say, I cannot eat rice without fish. Tomorrow, CPDM is sharing fish. You go and collect CPDM fish. The next day, MROC is sharing juice. You say, I cannot eat rice and fish without juice.
We need to and that is what the head of state calls living together. The head of state every day promotes living together in Cameroon.
No, there's no living together in this very matter.
If you have CPDM rapper, you are able to sew trouser, and SDF comes and gives t-shirt. You cannot wear empty trouser without you wear SDF t-shirt, and you can take MRC cap.
And wear.
So yes.
My brother, when you see a beehive, my brother, when you put your hand inside that beehive, you decided to. In other words, what am I saying? How will you put on CPDM trouser and CPDM up? My brother, do you want the police to catch you?
SDF.
It's called living together.
That's never a living together. If it was living together, then why are we campaigning? We would have just decided, all of us, SDF, CPDM, MCR, and all the other political parties would have come together now and put one person.
We'll come back to you. We just noticed there is this lady, the business lady. She's from the MRC. So maybe you should tell us first of all why you decided to go into politics, because you left. You were a businesswoman, strong business lady. You left the business. You have not left completely, but you now want to be known as a political figure, as an upcoming parliamentarian. So why did you decide to join politics?
Thank you very much, Mr. Le Moderator, televiewers.
The reason why I joined politics is because we have many things free of charge. You don't stress.
You don't pay charges.
You don't pay charges.
Your momo goes without
Everything
charges.
you have it free of charge. Anything you want to do, even if you want to travel, you don't even pay this thing on the way. They just leave you because you are a parliamentarian or you are upcoming something. They just leave you, just pass free of
The
charge.
police don't even check
They
your
don't even
ID.
check you, and
Your ID.
they don't check anything from you. They don't check. So because of the free will or the free nature of the politics, that's what.
Sabotage service.
Yeah, that's what made me to enter into politics.
Okay. Hope you don't get out anytime soon. Make
No,
sure you
no,
get
no.
to destination. Don't be like some of these journalists. Now every journalist in Cameroon is a councillor. They have all become politicians. And I begin to ask myself, where with that eye, that fourth eye that they said the journalists were the watchdog of society. When you start doing politics now, how will you watch the dog?
Watch
When
the
you yourself you have become the dog,
The dog.
you have become the politician, how will you watch the society?
It's because
So-
politicians, it's because journalists in Cameroon, they are hunting dogs. That's the reason why. They are all hunting dogs. If they were German Shepherds, they wouldn't have entered into
Now
politics.
they're politicians. We have about 5 or 6 journalists who are going in for the elections.
Including you, Mr. Moderator.
No, I remember I am a natural candidate. I was appointed by the head of state, given this honor as a natural candidate. I don't need campaign. Did you hear me yet saying I'm campaigning? I went down to my 16. I gave back of rice. Did you hear me come on TV and say that we went and we were giving bags of rice? Have you heard me come on TV and I'm saying that that the road at Bakoretan, we are the people putting tar there? No, we don't need to say all these things because these people, even the Bible says, I know my sheep and they know me. So when it comes like this, we just need to put these things in order. And you people go up and down, you kill yourself, you march from my 4, go down to Have My, go down to Bobende, go down to Kiliwinti, that you are doing campaign. I don't do campaign, I just act. And when I act, I don't need to come here and start telling people that, you see that small hole that was in front of Las Vegas like that, I'm the one that filled that hole.
I feel I never halfway.
If you don't leave it halfway like that, they will not see the lapses. They need to see evidence that this hole has been filled. Because you see, Cameroonians are so ungrateful, they easily forget. The moment you go and feel everything, they will be like, they will just start enjoying the road, they will not feel the gap. So we need to do it like that and leave. That one is like signboard to show that when you know when we're in secondary school, when you attend class, you need to come and write that, remember this man or Cabino was here. So that space to show that the head of state sent a representative that passed here. So now we are coming back now to the national dialogue, looking up to the 9th February polls. We are now we want to hear from you, the SDF. What are some of the projects that you have put in place? What are some of the projects that the voters should vote for you, knowing that these things will be instituted the moment you take part?
Well, Mr. Moderator, we from the SDF Special Constituency, yes, we from the SDF and all our militants, we came up with a project such as, you see, we want to join the political race, enter politics, go to parliament, represent the people. Because our project now is going down to the grassroots, right down to the grassroots to plant grass.
From Grassfield.
Yes, we are going down to the grassroots to go and finish planting the grass that has been burned there. Yes. And then we have projects of building schools. Yes. Building schools, building hospitals. We will take 3 days to build a hospital that if coronavirus enter Cameroon today, boom, they will treat. That's one of our projects.
Okay, you want
We will take 3 days.
bring Chinese to Cameroon?
No, we are not bringing Chinese to Cameroon. The SDF will take 3 days to build any hospital
Because
to,
China
to,
too.
to fight against any illness that will come to Cameroon. Yes. We will take 2 days to build the most
I see.
sophisticated educational school
You have vision.
in Cameroon. 2 daes. Yes, we have vision because we saw it coming.
That's how you have been seeing. You are parasites. You always see from far.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Never go there.
So we will take 2 days to build schools that will contain about 5,000 to 16 million students. Schools with plenty of lapses of
That's going to contain the
educational
whole,
lapses.
the whole of Cameroon.
Yes. And then we are going to build a rehabilitation center for prostitutes. Yes. We go to Kwasa in Douala, we test the prostitutes. We see if you have been real prostitutionalized. Yes. We bring you to the rehabilitation center. Good. We rehabilitate the prostitutes, then we send them back into the economy as married women. Yes, they go and marry.
As wife material.
As wife material.
Rehabilitate them.
Yes. We go, we investigate all the criminals, all the ones that have been breaking people's shops. They remove Maggie, they remove this. We catch them. We bring them to the economy. We train them how to work.
And they can start stealing Maggie from abroad. You give them computers, they become scammers.
No, that's not what I'm actually saying. That's not what I'm actually saying. We just train them, we bring them back, and then we give them another idea how to steal. Yes. They must not steal, they must not go and break into people's shops. We have vision. In fact, we have vision March 2020.
You open your own TV, Vision Sync.
That one is your own.
It's when you have too much vision, you go more.
We already have a TV.
Okay.
We already have our TV. SDF TV.
Okay.
Which after this election, SDF TV will start. Because I am seeing myself and my population, SDF population, filling the whole of National Assembly. Yes.
And it'll be SDF Assembly.
Yes.
Now we move over to the MMRC. What are some of the projects you guys are taking into this twin election?
We don't have any project. By the way, we are not even going for the election. Yeah.
Can you tell us some of the reasons why you don't want to go in for the election?
We were expecting money for campaign since. So due to the delayance of the money, we had to boycott the election. And finally, we overheard that the money has come and they have shared it, and the fact they have not even given to those who are the participants. They have not given it to everybody. So that's the main reason why we had to boycott, and we are not going in. By the way, that money is even very small. They give small like
300,000.
yes to do campaign. So we are not going for any election.
So what will we be doing this from now to the 9th of February?
No, from now to the 9th of February, we'll just be moving around to those who are already doing the campaign. Will just be as spy.
Okay, you'll be behind collecting bag.
No, we are not collectors. We are not really collectors.
Though
in case,
no,
we are not donors. But in case the right surpluses they can give us, we don't collect and we don't donate. We can just keep in case for future campaign we can still supply them. Yeah, that's the reason we don't want to go in for any election.
So let's come down now to the CPDM, who is they have been very active in Buea for a while now. So what are some of the projects that you have now for the upcoming elections?
Well, if you look carefully, you will see that the CPDM, we are working. We are working, and of course, I don't see any political party that can stand us, because we will definitely win. If you see what we have been doing in Buea, you'll be amazed. If a parliamentarian of my caliber, I move to the Laverie, I wash cars, I go to the market, I relate with market women, I hear their problem from their mouth directly to my ears. I don't look them on phone, I don't read their problems on papers. Tell me how we will not address these problems accordingly. Now, that sign of going to the market, washing cars, is to show to the general public out there how humble and we want to know your problem from your mouth. Now, what are some of these projects we have? Firstly, my brother, this problem of malaria is not stopping anytime soon in this country. We will increase the number of course, mosquito nets. Yes, we will buy mosquito nets for the whole of Cameroon. At least one person, like 4. If you don't want to use it,
remember, this is not presidential election. You can't be planning for the whole Cameroon when we are in your constituency. So constitute your constituency.
Mr. Le Moderator, is strategy. Let me tell you, you have a low political, you're politically dwarf.
Yeah.
Listen, when I say we'll buy for the whole of Cameroon, because it is a municipal, of course, because it is a municipal, we want to affect the other parts of the country such that we will gain their, because these people living here, they have relatives, they have friends in other sides. Of course, when that time reach, they could cross over and vote for us. Am I making sense?
No. They can even vote online.
They can even vote online.
Let's move back to the SDF. you realize a lot of your potential voters are IDPs. What strategy is SDF putting in place for them to come back and vote, even if it's for one day to vote and go back? What strategy are you putting?
Well, Mr. Moderator, as you see the way I am dressed. Yes. Our potential voters are IDPs. If the Cameroon, if Elecam does not want our IDPs to vote wherever they are, and is calling for us, the parliamentarians and the mayoritarians, aspiring mayors and aspiring parliamentarians, to go back to our special constituencies, we will use our Marabout spirit. Yes, we will use Marabout. We'll fly them over, let them vote, and then they come back. But if they vote, you know how we do this thing. You know they can still vote where they are. You know how we there's a manner in which we do this. But I cannot be doing it.
Is it stipulated in the electoral code that they can vote where they are?
In the electoral code, you know these things. The electoral code that I know as a senior politician in the SDF, the one that I know in front is not the one that is going on behind. Yes.
So there's a hidden code.
Good. So that I will use that hidden code to make sure that any IDP that is anywhere you are, you will vote.
Okay.
Yes.
And now back to the CPDM. How do you intend to target this IDP thing? You know, you say you went to the market, and I'm sure the ladies in the market obviously complain to you that they are IDPs. Some of them, they say their neighbors are in Douala, some of their neighbors are in Tico. How will you bring them back to vote for you?
Well, to bring IDPs from wherever they are, Douala, the Frenzo, the Yaoundé, Bamenda, Bafoussam, to bring these guys is easy. It will not cost CPDM any amount of money to build small houses. Of course, when we build these small houses, now we tell them, come back home. We have homes for you, because most of these people are there now. It's because they left here. They don't have nothing to come back to fall back on.
They have been giving them mattresses, bags of rice. Where did they think they will be?
My brother, if you are given a mattress and a bag of rice, where is the house to put that mattress and lie on? Will you lie
that is the question.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That
you have been giving them mattresses.
You have been giving them mattresses.
Of course, it's strategy. So that, and now that will be your house, you will come with your mattress and come and stay.
No. What if by the time you must have finished building the house and they have stolen the mattress?
No.
Mr. Moderator, see, we from the SDF, we cannot come and be telling our militants and our voters that we will build houses. What if we finish building a house and unknown fire consumes the house as an unknown? What the question is? What happened to the first house?
That is the question.
That is the question.
We have refused to answer.
When we are talking on the national dialogue like this, please, you guys should use your seat sense. Ladies and gentlemen, please, when we are talking, listen carefully. In everything there is risk. Even as we are sitting here, there's risk.
Of course, there is risk.
These things could collide. The negative and negative could join and fire catches. There's risks everywhere. Why are you both talking as if there's no risk? There's risks everywhere.
And I've heard a lot of people saying that it is because of your logo. Your logo has fire on it.
Yes.
It is that fire that is affecting everywhere that your party has invested.
Yes.
That they should change that logo.
Monsieur le Moderator.
That even the fire that is consuming markets in Cameroon is because of that fire on
your logo.
Of course.
That they should change
Okay, you're affecting the fire.
Of course.
That the fire in your logo is affecting.
It means you have a hand in it.
Meaning all the fires that has been consuming people's houses is because of that fire and that logo.
Mr. Moderator, when you people talk, calm down. I'm here to defend my political party. Of course, that logo, that fire, any house or market or property that got burnt, it was supposed to happen. Do you know why?
Tell us.
For development. One, if a house had made more than 72 years, Calabot, and we say demolish, you don't want to demolish. Of course, fire must definitely take it. And now when fire takes it, we can erect a good structure. In a market, if we say destroy these sheds, let's build market, people will say no. Of course, when fire comes, you have nothing to say. It consumes everything. So the fire in our logo is strategic. Everything about CPDM is strategic. That fire in our logo, we know why we put it there. And that's why if you see any fire outbreak, most of the time, not all, of course, must not be our own. Our own most often could be market.
Can be from these churches.
Some can be from these churches that say fire.
So that, how can a church be beside petrol station? And
Why would that touch not catch fire? Of course, in such situation, we will not blame CPDM because CPDM, of course, we ensure that fire catches just
it's constructive fire.
Constructive fire. It doesn't go out of reach, and that's why even in Street 2 year one time in Boya here, we road demolish on one Karabur house. The pa was crying and saying, no, he don't have money to build. We say, please demolish this thing. Let's develop. Today, fire caught the house and the house got burnt. Today, if you go there, you will see a big structure. That's what we are saying about development. That's what we are saying. Development in CPDM.
Mr. Moderator, these CPDM militants, they suffer the masses. You mean you consume people's houses and they travel from their local constituencies to be living in gutters in Douala, and you tell me that it is development? What sort of development that
my brother, development comes with suffering sometimes. You need to endure before you enjoy. Of course, you can take that down. You need to endure before you enjoy.
Okay.
Wow.
These promises are like the repeat. Somebody was asking why is that particular line a promise in the national anthem. So I just told them, if you want to know why that line is, just come to Cameroon now that it's election time. You understand that it's land of promise.
Yes.
There is promise everywhere.
Everywhere.
You keep promising people every year. You keep promising people. And let me come back to you, the SDF. You keep pointing fingers at the CPD. There are councils in Cameroon controlled by the SDF. We have Kumba. There's Kumba 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10.
Controlled by the SDF. Yes. There's even Tico City Council, controlled by the SDF. So what are some of the things that the SDF have done in these councils?
Well, Mr. Moderator, hey, you people are too blind to see.
We now need spiritual
Lord,
eyes
forgive
to
them
see.
for they don't know what they are doing. The SDF has been working. The SDF has been working. We have been working hard. First and foremost, to own those councils, it wasn't easy. It was a race between Usain Bolt and us, but we ran faster.
You ran faster.
Yes.
You always run.
But we were almost caught in the fire of the CPDM, but we managed to escape. And now we own those councils. If you go in those council areas, you will see what we are doing. Go to Kumba. Go and see the amount of bike riders in Kumba. Bike riders everywhere. The CPDM will make sure that instead of leaving these youths to stay at home and be stealing, breaking into people's shops, we bought them bikes in Kumba. Some old parents came to us that we retire from the CPDM party, we don't even have job, anything to do. We bought them taxis.
Okay, taxis.
Go to Kumba, you will see.
Few taxis in Kumba.
Few taxis, as I say, old people.
Okay.
Some old people that reside from the CPDM because they have been saving the CPDM for long but nothing. We bought them taxis, say go into Kumba, begin to carry passenger. At least occupy. That's what they said. That's what they told us. And then if you go, you see these bike men. They are always there. Go to Kumba Boya Road. We opened a path and linked this. We listen, Mr. Moderator. We linked the road between Boya and Kumba in the Boya Road Park. Because we want to cooperate. We see that CPDM is ruling Boya and then SDF into Kumba. So we have to play that part. Yes, to link. We want to live in peace with them. Go down to Tico, you see Tico Airport. It is the work of the SDF.
The SDF.
Yes, Tico Airport. SDF docked Tico Airport.
Okay.
SDF cemented Tico Airport.
Okay.
The first plane that landed on Tico Airport was SDF.
The chairman of
SDF aircraft.
Yes. Are we not developing?
The chairman has been abroad all this while. How is he contributing? Is that why?
The thing is, Mr. Moderator, the reason why our chairman went abroad. Oh, Bafru, I hear you. Our chairman went abroad.
Excuse me, SDF. This airport in Tico, this SDF parliamentarian here is talking about. You are claiming like you did everything. Have you checked the dustbins in that Tico airport? We the CPM bought dustbins for that airport.
Because we have to live together. Mr. Moderator, do you know why? That's the reason why our chairman is out of the country. They say they should give us campaign funds to go and campaign. The government and the people they took campaign funds. They are keeping it. Our chairman, like an honorable man, chairman said no, he cannot sit like this and watch people suffer. Chairman went to Dubai to hustle. Our chairman is working as a guard in Dubai. Our chairman is working as security. Our chairman is working as political coordinator. In fact, he is doing everything in Dubai because he wants money for campaign fund. It is rather unfortunate that on his journey they had to release the money. Our chairman is coming back today.
Talking about going abroad to host, is that why I heard your chairman as well is out of the country? Your presidential candidate Maurice Kamto, he has. But now that you guys say you don't want to run in for twin election, but you were there for presidential election, why this sudden change of mind? You were very active, you campaigned, and even at the end of the day, you were still doing sharp. Then at this day long, you just come and be according that you shall not do it again.
First and foremost, I've told you that politics is you achieve something freely. Now, if you sit and you have to foresee and discover that maybe if you continue, your own share of the national cake that I'm going to give you, if by any means your own share, your own size of a cake is going to be small, you better avoid it for future occurrences. You avoid it now. So by the time we were fighting, because we knew that our cake was like this, we had a greater share of the cake. But as we keep going gradually, we discovered that they have already cut the cake.
When the MC have not even said you can.
They have not said anything. They have already cut the cake.
Chairman,
And we have asked where is the half of the cake they cannot provide. So that's why we said that those who cut the cake, they should finish it and eat it. We will not continue. They should finish their cake.
Okay, there's this message saying that since the CPDM has been in power, the country has been limping, that Cameroon is falling. That Cameroon is not standing. Like look at Cameroon is not standing.
Of course, I will still go back to this proverb. I hope you've taken it down. Before you enjoy, you have to endure. I will not say any further.
Have we not been enjoying for too long?
You see, Mr. Moderator, this is the reason. This is the thing we suffer with this CPDM people. Before you enjoy, you have to endure. The people have been enduring. Where is the enjoyment? Since 1992, when I got into this politics and I was still a child, I was growing, I was watching the political race, I started monitoring SDF, monitoring the CPDM. The people were enduring. Up to today, they are still enduring. Ask him why.
That is the question. Pamela, why? Sorry, CPDM, why?
Let me tell you something, Mr. the Moderator. I have said before you enjoy, you have to endure. And to you people think you have endured enough. And that's the problem with we Cameroonians. We are not patient. We are not patient. As the saying goes, the patient bone is the fattest dog. The patient
dog eat the fattest bone.
Yes, the patient dog is the fattest bone.
A patient dog with the fattest bone will eat the fattest dog.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course, as long as there is a
dog and there's a bone,
there's a patient inside. What I'm saying, Cameroonians, you need to be patient. Of course, you have enjoyed for long.
No.
You need to.
No.
Listen.
The CPDM, you keep deceiving people. Cameroonians
patient.
Even the Israelites, they endured. And at a certain point, God Almighty looked at them and said, "My children, that is the promised land." The promised land was far, but He brought it closer. If the CPDM want the people to endure, they have endured for thousands of years. How many years have people been ruling?
The head of state promised Vision 2035. Is that not the promised land in
Of
view?
course.
Vision 2035. That's the promised land in
Listen to
view.
me. My own His Excellency President Paul Biya, I salute you. You will live long forever.
Of course.
Listen.
It stands to the determination
Vision of the head of state
that we are all
national
dialogue.
It stands to the head of state.
And he had already
dialogue.
made of course, you said it here, a land of promise. He had already made a public promise. Say by 2035, things will not be the same. So of course, we are just in 2020. It will not
pain you. That hospital that China built in 2 days, Cameroon can do it in 30 minutes.
Which Cameroon? SDF. If China is using 5 days to build a hospital, SDF will use 2 days to build that hospital.
There is something we have not understood about this Chinese building the hospital in 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. We are the same people that have said every day that Chinese still know the state.
Of course.
That is why they did not take long to build. Even their beauty, they know the state will take them. But we keep having strong things. Have you tasted Cameroon toothpick?
Cameroon toothpick.
Yeah, you can use it. You can take it to an occasion. You have just 10. This person use and give to this person use. The whole occasion can use it.
The only Cameroon toothpick that I know is eye broom.
It's very strong. Cameroon toothpick is very strong. It means that Cameroon thing is staying. That is why it is staying.
That is the reason why SDF will use 2 days to build a hospital that will stay.
And SDF keeps saying power to the people.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
Yes.
But in democracy, if you said you have studied politics as a political professional,
Yes.
don't you know that power comes from the people to the political class, not from the class to the people? SDF keeps saying power to the people. Is power not supposed to come from the people to the SDF?
What you fail to understand is this: it is logical. Power leaves the people to the leaders.
Yeah.
But now, SDF say power to the people because it is democracy.
It means the power leaves the leaders to the people.
Meaning it
back
is
to
democracy. Meaning the
the to and
people
fro.
are in power. It is the people's thing. It is not our thing. It is the people's thing. If you are listening to me, go and rally behind the SDF because the power is your own. It is not the power of the SDF. It's not the power of our leaders. It is the power of the people.
Monsieur le
But
moderator,
in democracy, the people give that power to the
That is what I'm saying. The people give the power. There's a power to the people. Don't let that to don't mislead you. Power to the people, meaning I, the leader, I am saying power to you.
Give you
Power to you.
Monsieur le moderator,
Get the power.
Monsieur le moderator, let me help him make you understand. You get? So what he's trying to say is the power to the people. The power to the people and back to him in chemistry is a reversible reaction.
We will come back to this power issue. We'll have to attend to a few calls. We have to attend to a few calls. The head of state is trying to check if that money has been sent. So we'll take this short break. When we come back from this break, we will see how this power is being tussled, who is having the power, who is not having the power. So after this break, we'll come back to see who has the power. Okay, as we were saying before, the head of state called to ensure the security of the organ. You know, some people say that parliamentarians go to the northwest in armored cars. That can they be going to that when voters will come now? How will they come? If you understand that as political people, you have a lot of enemies.
Yes.
So the head of state ensures the security of the people.
Yeah.
That is why we needed to put that in place first before we continue with this power issue.
Yes.
SDF, and we're saying that you and power, while others are giving people bags of rice, you keep giving power to the people, power to the people, power to even in that power that you're giving, there's still no light. What power are you giving? Is it power ban? Or which of the powers are you giving? That is the question we're asking to the SDF before we receive that call.
Mr. Moderator, what is the definition of power first and foremost? Power is the ability to exert ngum.
Oh, physics has entered the thing.
Ngum. So the power that we keep giving the people, when we talk of power to the people, physical power, it's there. If another militant tries you, use the power that we have given you, get go down.
Is that the power?
Use the power
Is
to
that the power you have been giving these students? Students?
use the power to beat. Don't be scared. Power to the people. We give you power to go out there. If you're a man, you're not married, you have power to look for your woman. If you're a tapper, you don't have power, you use power to go and look for a job.
So in other words, the SDF people are trying to say if you are an SDF voter or an SDF parliamentarian or anything SDF, you need to go to the gym.
Yeah.
You need to work hard in order to get power to function.
Power.
But we, the CPD,
Power to the people.
We don't stress you to go to the gym to get power to function. We give you motivational powers, and that's why if you see everywhere,
And that's the way
all
CPD have been
motivational speakers
deceiving
are
the people.
CPDM.
CPD have been deceiving the people because SDF will make you see the physicality in everything. But you CPD.
Is that why since you came here you have been shouting as if we're in the market? You are here on the national dialogue. You don't just be shouting.
Because we speak with power. Yes.
And you think everything is power.
Rafi,
to tell you that power does not solve everything. Or when a mosquito lands on your testicle, see how you use that power to solve that problem.
You use power, but not physical. You want to kill somebody. You use power, but power of the brain.
And that's what the CPDM, we the members of the CPDM are trying to do, because anything that happens in the physical must surely have happened in the spiritual. So we give you spiritual powers. Of course, the spiritual we are talking about is not a non-native doctor, please. We prepare your mind spiritually. And that's why everywhere, if you see motivational speakers building your mindset, building your future in your head for you, all these motivational speakers are CPDM members, because in our party we teach people how to build their mind. And that's why if you see our major, His Excellency, my own President Paul Biya, he made the
head of state.
The head of state. I will
the
repeat.
guarantor of
And that is the reason why Cameroonians will never go before. They will never reach that vision 2065. You cannot come on air, you cannot be defending your party and you are telling the people that you build their mind, you give them motivational speaker will tell you get up, you dress up, you chase up, and then you hit the street.
You need power.
You need force to even hit that street. And now you are hitting the street. How will you succeed when you just get up? You are hitting the street. This is the reason why Cameroonians have been in this trauma for how many years today, because of motivational CPDM speakers.
Yes.
They keep motivating the people, but the people, they are not going anywhere.
And he said that they are building their mind.
Building whose mind?
With block or what?
With block or cement?
With block or cement. It means by now the mind must have been to the level of an etage.
No, we are.
Since they have started building minds.
As a matter of fact, there is never a time when you can stop building. If you build a house, definitely you plaster the house, and in the long run you put ties. Of course, now we the CPA members, we are putting ties in the heads right now, because you see. In Cameroon, when we talk, let's fall back to our Cameroon.
We should fall back.
Like, listen, in Cameroon, it says the motto of Cameroon. The motto of Cameroon.
Please find your line.
Please
walk, find your line.
Okay, please walk, find your line plus connection.
Yes, plus connection.
Please walk, find your
plus connection. And if only you have data.
And if only you have data for that connection. Thank you, MC.
Please don't spoil the country. It's peace, work, fatherland. The head of state, he took a lot of thinking and consultation before coming up with that motto. You don't just come and say, please walk, find your line. Peace, work, fatherland.
Peace, work, fatherland.
Or motherland.
That's why the SDF is ensuring that there should be peace. That's why the SDF is creating hospitals and schools to give work to people.
Listen, fatherland. They have changed the motto. I thought it was a please walk and find your line. That's what I thought that was the motto.
I've told you, the head of state, he took a lot of work. He consulted, he went to France, he met Jacques Chirac, he went to Britain, he met the Queen.
Don't change her, man.
They came up with this motto, peace, work, fatherland or motherland.
Which type of motto? Bus or taxi?
That jeep that he used on a 20 minute.
Okay.
Limo. Range Rover Limo.
Okay, they don't change motto. No.
Fatherland. Okay.
Still talking about this peace, work, fatherland. We CPDM people, if you look carefully, we are exhibiting. Anything we do, we work towards our motto: peace, work, fatherland. First, we have peace. Ladies and gentlemen,
Cameroon is a peaceful
land.
You can go. It's not in America.
Look at this MRC people.
No.
They just came presidential election. They lose elections to the CPDM, and now they are backing out of the political race. That
I just imagine.
No. I've told you that before we entered into this palaver, we saw that the cake that was before us was a very mighty cake. So as long as we entered into it, we discovered that they have butchered the cake. So we're asking, who took our half cake? Please return our half cake. Up till now, we have not seen the half cake. So we allow the cake for those who took it. They should share.
So the MRC has left the cake for the
Yes,
cake.
No.
That is why we're talking about Cameroon being a peaceful land.
Yes, it's a very peaceful land.
Very peaceful land.
Very
because
peaceful
you can peace anywhere, especially in Douala.
It's a peaceful land. You can peace.
Especially in Douala, even in the middle of the road, you can just park your car and you
peace.
Simple.
And it stands to the head of state that Cameroon has enjoyed this peace for this long.
Yes.
That is why you see some people who just come up now, they take advantage of things. A lot of people take advantage of teachers' strikes, even in Yaoundé. On Thursday, they were taking advantage of teachers' strike to bring this peace and this concord.
Teachers are mourning their colleague. You are bringing this peace
No, they're taking advantage. Let me tell you something that the head of state texted me yesterday. Yesterday we chatted. I said, "Ben, sir, how can you be in Yaoundé? Children are crying die, and are throwing them water." The head of state said, "No. These people have been complaining. They have complained for too long that there is no water. Even in Bepanda, they were complaining that there's no electricity. They want to go and block the road. So these people were complaining that this boy died in class as a teacher. He was killed by his own student because that day the student did not bathe. The teacher came and asked him, "Why did you not bathe? Why did you not bathe? You are coming to school without bathing." And he removed the knife. He was angry that is his fault that the water is not flowing. He choked the teacher and he died.
Maybe he wanted the red water.
So now in the funeral,
if that teacher was an SDA militant, he wouldn't have died.
In the funeral now,
yes.
The head of state saw that
militant, he wouldn't have died.
He saw that all other teachers have gathered themselves that they are going to ask the head of state that why was there no water? If there was water in the country, they would have killed somebody. The head of state said, "Is it water that is the problem in Cameroon? Is it water that we cannot have? Show them that we have water. We have excess of water." He said, "Gendarme, give them water. Police, give them water. Army, give them water." And it happened in Melen. You know, Melen is the center of it all. The center of the intermediary.
Even night wash, give them water.
Give them water. Vigilante,
give them water.
And that's to show the high level of availability of water in this nation.
But it's as if it's because people always say when there is fire outbreak, there is no water to come and lose the fire when the market is burning, but there is always water to come and pour on people. The head of state say no. Yaoundé, there is climate change. If people are going to mourn, if you are going to cry die, there's obviously going to be heat. So he said you should wet them so that if they are crying, you feel cool. Yeah, you feel chilled. You know, and you know that when you cry under the rain, people will not see your tears.
They will not see your tears.
So the head of state did not want those children those teachers. Because teachers in Cameroon, people like to take advantage of small things and they cry that as they will like cry. He knew that if he had left them to cry that die, they will not cry only die. They want to shift in now and start adding things. They will start adding other things. Now head of state, since that we left school, you have not employed us, small die. They want to add other things in the die.
They'll start crying now. Instead of calling, hey, say, he's dirty, they start calling, okay, it's not there.
That is it. They'll start adding things. Road no there. They never You see, that's why the head of state said no. It is good to water them so it will be that it is not tears, it is that water of joy.
Yeah.
So we want to thank
it is logical.
You get the point.
It is logical.
Yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have to go and march now the commission to thank the head of state. So we are going out to march to Bongo Square to thank the head of state for hearing the cry of these teachers and giving them water
when they needed it most.
Of course.
And if some teachers are not wise enough,
yeah.
If they are spraying water, you don't have water, you won't carry bucket and carry
Yeah.
and go to the house and use it and drink. You just be there and you just be shouting and shouting, take water.
The head of state is sharing water and then you cannot open your mouth and begin to drink.
So some people now will be complaining.
And some were even tasty.
You
are tasty.
Where are we going to use water?
And some people were saying that
why are Cameroonians so ungrateful?
I'm telling you, why are we
we have to.
We are very angry. We are very angry.
You don't have to be angry. MRC, you people are the people that are bringing disconcord, disunity in this country. Each time you run and go to France and there is problem in the country, it's because Maurice Kamto just went to France.
We are going there to hustle.
It's because of that his meeting that there was.
We are going there to hustle.
I know the story very well. Maurice Kamto, please.
No.
Okay,
His Excellency Maurice.
Only His Excellency I know is the head of state.
No, not my own party.
No, your party is the excellency of your party, not the national dialogue.
That's why I say he should put his excellency.
No,
you
see,
oh God.
He can
we'll call him Maurice Kamto. Professor Maurice Kamto went out. He went for honeymoon. It's nothing political. He went for honeymoon.
No, the honey is still there. How can he go for honeymoon?
Tell viewers, international community, time for watching the program today.
No.
SDM is here for you.
You have
No,
plans.
no,
You cannot-
yeah.
You cannot be telling me this.
No,
National
no.
dialogue. I read my card.
No,
You cannot be telling me this.
no. No,
We cannot match with the
we cannot match.
How can you?
We cannot
We
match.
cannot match with February.
Don't be shouting.
I will shout. I will shout.
Don't be shouting.
I will shout.